To the third pilot of Should You Microwave It? I am your host, Matthew McCarthy. And that's your sidekick, my mom. I don't know.
Should you at least let me get dressed or fix my hair so I don't look so terrible?
Alright, fine with me.
No, I'll go with this for this morning.
Alright. Yep. So anyway,
where are our microwave dishes?
our microwave dishes.
Right, did we microwave it in the black bowl?
No, we microwaved it in the white bowl back there.
This one?
Yeah. But I think what?
Did we microwave it in that bowl?
No, we didn't microwave it in that bowl.
We microwaved in the white bowl? I thought we mixed in the microwave. We mixed in the white bowl.
No, we mixed in this bowl. No, we mixed in the big bowl.
Then we'll microwave in this bowl. Or can you see better in this bowl?
Oh, sorry about all that face close-ups. Anyway.
Yeah. Can you just get my my hand part? Not so much my hand part.
Alright. Got that.
Can I try that bowl?
Oh yeah, this bowl.
We doing 2 or we doing 3 today?
Let's do just 2.
Oh right, because we know the special recipe. Any bagels left? You want a sandwich or no?
Yeah, we can make a sandwich.
You got bagels.
I'm not sure if I really want the cheese.
You don't have to have the cheese, you can just have the eggs and the sausage.
Yeah. She's mixing it up. Alright, she's adding the spray. Stir it up a little more. So she pours it in.
Drip an egg on my toe.
Yeah. I'm trying to find it.
A minute on high.
Yes, a minute on high. Oh yeah. While I'm waiting for it, here's Hannah. No, I was showing the microwave.
You know, I was reading an article online.
Mm-hmm.
It said that the microwave is going to become one of the obsolete kitchen. People are going back to the healthier way of eating with toaster ovens and toaster and not so much quick processed foods anymore. It's going to become an obsolete kitchen, whatever you want to call it. What do they call it? Device? Utensil? That's not an utensil. But anyways, I thought that would be interesting. You're wondering about how you're going to get all these microwaves for your show? Well, holy bubble.
Yeah, it is really bubbly. Ouch. So leave the Kraken. Do you think you got done, sidekick?
No, we gotta flip it over because see there's a little bit of egg left on the bottom there, see it?
Oh yeah. Ugh.
So put it back in for 20 seconds, please.
Hot. Alright. So we can go lifting again. How about
20 seconds, please, sir.
20. So let's watch it go up again. The egg is going up. I'm gonna let you go down. Yeah, it stopped.
How's it look, sir?
Looks like you should microwave this.
Okay, give
Yep, let's spatula it up.
There we go.
There we go, a perfectly nice egg. Yeah, but, no, I'm just gonna stop here for this video. So that's about it for Sugar Microwave It. I am your host, Matthew McCarthy.